12 things feminine women need to stop buying to build wealth and soft power. We're going to be talking about how to create financial freedom while feeling joy and abundance right now. Beautiful ladies, you don't need to hustle like a man or deny yourself anything to become wealthy. Feminine women build wealth with ease, elegance, and intention. But the secret, they stop spending on what doesn't serve us and start feeling joy before the abundance even arrives. Feel the abundance within us. So let's talk about 12 things feminine women need to stop buying now, not to restrict, but to rise us. Hi, beautiful ladies. My name is Saima. I'm a chartered accountant, investment banker, turned author, entrepreneur, and the founder of a kindness movement. And this space is for women ready to live softly and smartly, a sacred space of healing and transformation. Feminine energy is not about deprivation, it's about alignment. We don't skimp, we select. We don't shrink, we strategize. My mission is to guide and empower beautiful women into a place of graceful power where healing becomes sacred, self-care becomes holy, and feminine energy balance leads us into the most beautiful, purposeful life. In today's video, it's going to be about how to redirect our money away from the unconscious habits and towards our dream life. Because when we act with intention and presence, we feel joy from within. You don't just wait for freedom, we have to create it. Number 1, fast fashion. The frill fades fast, and so does the fabric. Feminine women build signature style with timeless pieces they adore. Instead of buying 15 cheap outfits, manufactured aesthetics, invest in 5 elegant ones you wear proudly. Let's work on organic, cottons, silks, satins. And here's the key. Feel confident and joyful now, even before you have your dream wardrobe. That's how abundance flows in. Think about bamboos and rose petals and lotus stems. These are the fabrics we should be investing in. Wellness, beauty. Next, number 2, makeup. You don't need 4 foundations and 12 lipsticks. Find your signature face, love it, let the natural radiance shine, and invest in skincare and wellness that builds beauty from inside out. Feel beautiful today, even as your beauty budget shrinks. That's feminine confidence. Buy beautiful classic pieces of makeup. Number 3, takeaway coffees and daily deliveries. These small spendings leak big dreams. $5 here, $12 there, it's hundreds per month. Beautiful feminine women create rituals, homemade coffee in a beautiful delicate cup, or a romantic meal they can cook for themselves. That's money saved for investments, or a trip to Dubai, Bali. But you don't wait to feel bliss. You brew it now in a beautiful cup and crockery. Number 4, auto-renewal subscriptions. If it no longer sparks joy or serves us, cancel it. It's got to serve us to a next level. Cancel it, please. Stop paying for convenience that adds clutter or distraction. Feminine wealth is clear, pure and clean and conscious. The $25 there, build a beauty fund or join a money mentorship program. Number 5, cheap jewelry that breaks. Costume pieces fade and are frustrating. One timeless gold necklace is more powerful than 20 throwaways. Buy less, love more, and wear pieces that reflect your worth. Feel luxurious before the luxury arrives. It's all in the energy. When you feel it already, you will attract it. It will gravitas towards you. Number 6, courses without any outcome. We love to grow. We are beautiful women that love to learn, but growth needs direction. That's $200 there. Will it actually change my life? Choose learning that's actionable, that builds skills or businesses. Feminine wealth is not about overconsumption. It is clarity. You are already worth it now. No course can add that to it. Choose programs that grow you mentally, physically, and within your heart. Number 7, trendy home decor. The 7th candle or a vase you saw on social media is not going to make your house or your home any softer. Simplicity brings peace. A few pieces you love creates sacred space. Feminine energy flows where there is space. No, not clutter. Feel at home now, and your dream home is going to follow. But feel it now. Feel the joy within you now. Number 8, over frequent beauty appointments. Self-care is non-negotiable, but balance is divine. Choose a quick, convenient, reasonably priced salon for regular grooming. Then save for one beautiful spa or retreat each quarter. That's what I do. Let your self-care feel earned, elegant and energized, not overwhelmed or guilt-induced. Beauty is sacred. Let it align with your financial grace. But feel it now. Feel the joy and the abundance now. Number 9, buying to impress others. That wow dress for someone else's birthday is not empowerment. We dress with intention for joy, not validation. Stop buying approval. Dress in what makes you feel beautiful, radiant now, even if it's loungewear. But dress it with elegance. Dress it with confidence. Number 10, souvenirs you don't value. A magnet or a fake pearl bracelet won't capture the magic of Morocco, for instance. One item, meaningful, handmade, or practical, does so much more. Feminine women need to collect memories, not junk. Feel grateful for the experience, not just the proof of it. Number 11, luxury brands that feed ego, not our souls. That $5,000 handbag you can't afford. That's not wealth. It's a financial wound. Wait until your income is producing assets that are producing income. Feminine women don't prove they glow. If it's not bought from overflow, it's not real luxury. Feel abundance now, even before the designer bag. Believe it. Number 12, investments you don't understand. I love investments. I do many different types, and we will have a video on that. But if you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Learn about stocks, shares, index funds slowly and wisely. Build wealth from wisdom, not hype. Build in with your values and align your investments to it, because feminine power is educated and the joy comes now from clarity, peace, and progress. Beautiful ladies, we have to live femininely, spend wisely. You don't need to live in pain or denial to become free. Just redirect your money. Let it build a life that supports you. Let your investments grow and use the income to treat yourself. Feel the joy now. Feel the peace before the payoff. That is energy. It pulls everything you desire closer to you, into your heart, and then projects outwards. Every item you stop buying without meaning becomes fuel for your future. Feminine women don't shrink to save, they refocus. You're allowed to enjoy your life. Just let your money serve your dreams, not your distractions. Please comment below which of these 12 are you leaving behind today, and drop a like if you're choosing soft power, feminine wealth, and joyful living right now, not someday in the future. If this resonates with you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with beautiful women that you love. And let me know if you'd like part 2, 12 things feminine women should start buying to build wealth. You deserve beauty and financial freedom. Let's build both softly within our feminine divine.